Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to block ads on any Android device. So today we have Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite, and we had this problem in this tablet that there were so many pop-up ads was coming onto this tablet. So how to remove these advertisements from this tablet? So there's a quick method. What we can do, we can go into the settings. In the settings you will choose connection. In the connection you will find more connection settings. So in more connection settings you will find private DNS. So select private DNS. So here we have three options of automatic and private DNS provider hostname. So we're gonna select the last option, private DNS provider hostname, and then you're gonna write this simple command dns.adguard.com and choose save, and that's it. That's how you're gonna save this tablet from advertisements, and it's a very easy and quick method. Thank you guys, thank you for supporting the channel, thank you for watching tutorial videos, and subscribe.